Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit report with Smart Credit beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what a credit report is and why it matters. A credit report is a detailed record of your credit history. It influences your ability to secure loans, credit cards, and even housing options. Next, learn how to access your credit report for free. You can obtain a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Visit annualcreditreport.com to download your reports safely. Review your credit reports carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. If you find any discrepancies, dispute them promptly with the credit bureau. Now, consider enrolling in a credit monitoring service. Smart Credit offers tools to help you keep track of changes in your credit report in real time. Set up alerts for any significant changes to your credit profile. This ensures that you stay informed about any potential fraud or identity theft. Next, practice good credit habits to maintain a healthy score. Always pay your bills on time to avoid late payment penalties. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means not using too much of your available credit at any given time. Diversify your types of credit, including credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages. Limit the number of hard inquiries on your credit report. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Consider placing a credit freeze for added security. A credit freeze prevents creditors from accessing your credit report without your permission. You can easily lift the freeze when you need to apply for credit. Finally, regularly review your credit report to monitor your progress. Take the time to reassess your financial situation at least once a year. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your credit report and build a solid financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.